You pull up to the street, and honestly, nothing about this place prepares you for what you're about to see. If you were driving past, you might glance once, maybe twice, and then keep going. A clean facade, calm lines, tasteful landscaping, nothing loud, nothing flashy. It blends in. It almost wants to be ignored, and that's exactly the point. Because behind this calm, almost ordinary exterior sits a $12 million mansion that completely rewrites your expectations the moment you step inside. As you walk toward the front door, notice how quiet everything feels. The architecture is intentional but restrained. Neutral tones, simple geometry, privacy-focused design. This home doesn't scream wealth. It whispers it. The front entry is solid, heavy, and understated, and when that door opens, everything changes instantly. The first step inside feels like crossing into a different world. The ceiling rises higher than you expected, and suddenly the space opens up in a way that takes your breath away. Natural light floods in from massive glass panels you couldn't see from the street. The transition from outside to inside is dramatic, not because it's loud, but because it's so unexpected. The materials immediately tell you this is something special. Wide, blank hardwood floors stretch seamlessly throughout the home. The walls are finished with a soft, warm texture that reflects light instead of absorbing it. Every surface feels intentional, curated, and expensive without trying too hard. Straight ahead, your eyes are drawn to the main living area, and this is where the home truly begins to reveal itself. The space is massive, but it doesn't feel overwhelming. High ceilings, clean lines, and perfectly balanced proportions make it feel both grand and comfortable. Floor to ceiling glass walls slide completely open, erasing the boundary between indoor and outdoor living. From the street, you'd never guess this kind of openness existed inside. The living room is designed for both everyday comfort and large-scale entertaining. Custom-built furniture anchors the space, perfectly scaled to the room. A statement fireplace stretches horizontally across one wall, finished in natural stone that adds warmth and texture. Subtle recessed lighting highlights architectural details without ever stealing attention. This is a room meant to be lived in, not just looked at. Just beyond the living area is the dining space, and it's nothing short of stunning. A long custom table sits beneath a sculptural chandelier that feels more like modern art than a light fixture. The scale here is impressive. You could host intimate family dinners or seat a large group comfortably without the room ever feeling crowded. Large windows frame views of greenery outside, bringing a sense of calm and balance into the space. The kitchen is where function meets absolute luxury. This isn't a show kitchen that looks good but doesn't work. This is a chef's kitchen designed for serious cooking and effortless entertaining. A massive waterfall island sits at the center, topped with stone that looks like it was carved from a single slab. High and integrated appliances are hidden behind custom cabinetry, keeping everything clean and minimal. There's storage everywhere, but you barely notice it. Everything has its place, and everything disappears when not in use. Behind the main kitchen, there's a secondary prep kitchen, fully equipped and designed to keep the main space spotless during events. This is the kind of detail you only see in homes at this level. It's practical, discreet, and incredibly smart. From casual breakfasts to full-scale dinner parties, this kitchen handles it all without ever breaking a sweat. Moving further into the home, the layout begins to reveal how thoughtfully this mansion is designed. The flow is seamless. Each space transitions naturally into the next, guided by light, texture, and subtle architectural cues. There are no awkward hallways or wasted areas here. Every square foot has a purpose. On the main level, you'll find a private office that feels more like a luxury retreat than a workspace. Large windows bring in natural light, while custom wood paneling adds warmth and sophistication. Built-in shelving provides both storage and display space, perfect for books, art, or personal collections. This is a room where you could easily spend hours working without feeling disconnected from the rest of the home. Nearby, a guest suite offers hotel-level comfort. It's spacious, private, and beautifully finished. The bedroom is generous in size, with large windows and soft lighting that creates a relaxing atmosphere. The ensuite bathroom features high-end fixtures, a walk-in shower, and stone finishes that elevate the entire experience. Guests here won't feel like they're staying in someone else's house. It feels like a luxury hotel suite. As you head toward the back of the home, the indoor-outdoor connection becomes even more impressive. The entire rear wall opens up to reveal a resort-style backyard that feels miles away from the street you entered from. A sleek pool stretches across the space, reflecting the architecture and sky above. Lounge areas are thoughtfully arranged to create different zones for relaxation, conversation, and entertaining. There's an outdoor dining area, a built-in kitchen, and plenty of space to host unforgettable gatherings. The landscaping is mature and lush, providing complete privacy. You don't see neighbors, you don't hear traffic. It feels like a private sanctuary, perfectly hidden behind that unassuming front facade. This contrast is what makes the home so special. It doesn't show its cards until you're fully inside. Back indoors, a sculptural staircase draws your attention. It's not just a way to get upstairs, it's a design statement. Floating steps, glass railings, and subtle lighting make it feel light and elegant. As you ascend, you get new perspectives of the main living space below, appreciating the scale and openness from a different angle. The upper level is dedicated to rest and privacy, and it does not disappoint. The primary suite is more than just a bedroom. It's a full private retreat. The bedroom itself is expansive, with room for a sitting area and direct access to a private terrace. Floor-to-ceiling glass once again brings in natural light and views, creating a calming, airy atmosphere. The primary bathroom feels like a luxury spa. A freestanding soaking tub sits beneath soft lighting, perfectly positioned to create a sense of calm. The walk-in shower is oversized, featuring multiple shower heads and beautiful stone finishes. Dual vanities offer plenty of space, and every detail, from the fixtures to the mirrors, has been carefully selected. The walk-in closet is truly impressive. Custom-built tins provide space for everything, from everyday essentials to statement pieces. It's beautifully lit, thoughtfully organized, and designed to make getting dressed feel like an experience rather than a routine. Additional bedrooms on this level each have their own suite bathrooms and generous closet space. No room feels secondary or overlooked. Each bedroom is designed with the same level of care and attention as the primary suite, ensuring comfort and privacy for family members or guests. One of the standout features upstairs is a private lounge area. This space works perfectly as a family room, media lounge, or quiet retreat. It's cozy yet open, offering a place to relax away from the main entertaining areas downstairs. Large windows keep the space bright and connected to the outdoors. Technology throughout the home is seamlessly integrated. Lighting, climate, security, and entertainment systems are all controlled effortlessly. Nothing feels intrusive or complicated. The smart features enhance daily life without ever drawing attention to themselves. As you continue exploring, you realize how well this home balances luxury and livability. It's not designed to impress for a moment. It's designed to be lived in every single day. From the flow of the layout to the durability of the materials, everything supports real life at the highest level. Downstairs, there's an additional entertainment level that takes things even further. A private media room offers a true cinematic experience, with plush seating, acoustic treatments, and state-of-the-art sound. This is the perfect place for movie nights, game days, or binge watching your favorite series. There's also a dedicated fitness area, fully equipped and filled with natural light. Unlike many home gyms that feel tucked away, this one feels energizing and open. It's a space that actually makes you want to work out. A temperature-controlled wine room adds another layer of luxury. Designed to display and protect a serious collection, it's both functional and visually striking. Whether you're a collector or just enjoy a good bottle, this feature elevates the entire home. Even the utility spaces are thoughtfully designed. The laundry room is spacious and well organized. Storage areas are plentiful and discreet. Nothing feels like an afterthought. What makes this mansion truly remarkable is how well it hides all of this from the outside. From the street, you'd never imagine the scale, the openness, or the level of luxury inside. That's what makes it so powerful. It's confident enough not to show off. As you make your way back toward the front door, you can't help but reflect on the experience. This home isn't about excess for the sake of excess. It's about quality, privacy, and thoughtful design. Every space serves a purpose. Every detail tells a story. This is a mansion built for someone who values discretion as much as luxury. Someone who understands that true wealth doesn't need to be announced. It can be quiet, it can be hidden, and it can be absolutely breathtaking once you're inside. So the next time you drive down a street and see a house that looks normal, remember this. Sometimes the most extraordinary homes are the ones that don't try to impress you from the outside. They wait until you step inside, and then they completely change the way you see everything.